So now let us consider important topic related to extraction of iron metal. For extraction of iron metal on industrial part, we are using furnace that is known as blast furnace. And in blast furnace, the reactions are observed at different temperature range. So if in objective they are asking in which of the following part or which of the following metal the different temperature zones are applicable. So extraction of iron by using blast furnace. Now I will provide you entire process by dividing into the furnace temperature zone or furnace part, top part, central part and the bottom part. For reference you can observe diagram given in the textbook. That is for only for information, no need to draw that part. So first in the blast furnace, from the top part of the furnace we are adding mixture containing ore powder with limestone and the coke. Coke means carbon particle which is nothing but reducing agent. Now when this solid mixture is moving from top to bottom, now bottom part has very high temperature. Now already coke, carbon is there and we will supply oxygen. At high temperature, carbon combine with oxygen and it will give carbon dioxide, which is exothermic reaction that will give rise the temperature. Now we know that coke is solid, so it is moved under the effect of gravity, and carbon dioxide at high temperature because gas, it is moving in upward direction. So what happens that a carbon combine with CO2 and it will form carbon monoxide. Now this reaction is endothermic and overall temperature of furnace drop. Now by this reaction now we have generated reducing agent, that is carbon monoxide, and finally it will reduce the iron oxide and we have metallic form of iron. Now entire process is divided in main two temperature zones. First one, low temperature zone, that is between 500 to 800 Kelvin temperature range. Now if we have iron oxide in form of Fe2O3, it react with carbon monoxide to give Fe3O4. Here oxidation number of iron is +3, that is changed to here 8/3. So here it is reduction process. Next, when this Fe3O4 again react with carbon monoxide, that will give Fe. So here oxidation number is 8/3, that will change to 0. Again it is said to be reduction. This is a two-step process. Or it can also be observed that if I have Fe2O3, directly it can reduce to iron oxide. So +3 change to +2. That is also nothing but reduction process. Now, if we are observe the reaction at the higher temperature zone, already we have discussed carbon plus carbon dioxide, that gives carbon monoxide, and this carbon monoxide react or reduce FeO, iron oxide, or ferrous oxide to give iron and carbon dioxide. Now basically in this reaction, now whatever limestone we have started with, carbon dioxide is also the part of utilization, but whatever slacked lime, solid calcium oxide deposited at the bottom part of the furnace, it is react with silicate impurities present in the ore. And it will form CaSiO3, as it is lighter, it is floating on the surface, and so it will not allow to add any external impurity with the pure metal which is separate out in the bottom part of the furnace. So this is entire process in terms of statement as well as chemical way or chemical reaction presentation for extraction of iron in blast furnace. Now after completion of this, we can go with its utility part and some other extraction processes related to other metals in the next part.